Yo, what's good everyone? I'm back. Today we are doing a unboxing video. Now, I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, so I can't wait. Um, these were actually supposed to show up in the mail tomorrow, but I guess they ended up getting here a day early, which is always great. I hate waiting. This is a package from theclosetinc.com. It is a sneaker shop an online retailer based out of Ontario. They always have sales going on, and I've actually dealt with them quite a bit. I actually found out about them through like Instagram and like sneaker YouTubers that are from like Ontario, like Sean Go, and also one of my brother's friends were telling me about it once, so I started dealing with them, and I've actually gotten some pretty good deals off of there. My Nike World Tour Air Force Ones are from there. I don't know if I remember making a video about them or anything, but if you guys have seen them, you know what I'm talking about. They're like the kind of like pinkish red color ones. I bought a few pairs off of them. Now, this is a pair of Jordans. I'm just letting you guys know ahead of time. But let's get into it. No, I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting. Sorry, I don't have my handy Swiss Army knife today or a knife. I'm using my car keys, but I just got home from work. But yeah, let's see what these look like in person. I know what these look like. I've seen them online. I've seen them in person, but you know, fucking hell, come on. There we go. Yes, it's another pair of Jordan 1 mids. They have been releasing a lot of crazy colors of them lately. These are the once I saw they got my size in these. I've been trying to get these. My hometown champs had them, but they didn't have my size. We looked at a bunch of online retailers. They keep selling out, even on restocks. So I lucked out on these. This is a pair of Jordan 1 mids. The color is called White Tropical Twist and Black. Suggested retail was 150 Canadian. I got my true size, size 9. This isn't a pair of suede ones like the court purples. These are leather. So the suede ones, like, they feel kind of weird. Like, I feel like I could even fit a 9.5 in them if I wanted to. Like, I have the wheat Jordan 1 highs from 2017, and those are size. I think they're size 9.5 or a 10, and they fit me. Ooh, these are so fire. Like, look at these. Like, don't these look kind of like. Everyone was calling these the igloos. If you guys have seen the Miami exclusive Jordan 1 highs from the All Star weekend, like, I think it was like a couple years back, maybe like 3, 4 years back, they only released in Miami. They had the white and this like Tiffany blue kind of color, and then they also had it would also had black on it, and then they had the rust pinks. Those are going for like maybe $10,000 on StockX. So my pine greens were going. They're going for 365 on StockX right now. I sold them for 200, which isn't bad. But yeah, so nice to finally have these in hand. I was going to get a 9.5, but then I was like, wait, they're leather. All my Jordan 1 mids in leather fit me in a 9. And it even has a kind of like Tiffany blue Jumpman logo with the air matching underneath on the tongue tag. Wings logo in black right here. Now, it's your usual Jordan 1 leather quality, nothing crazy special or anything, but it is pretty soft to the touch. They did that kind of tumbled effect on the toe box and next to the swoosh and the ankle collar. Majority of the shoe is white, but there is this like kind of like Tiffany blue, which is nice. They also they came out with a like kind of like a pinkish color one this year too. It was called the Jordan 1 mid what was it called, rust pink or something, I don't remember, but those were pretty nice too. um and then the insole has a Jumpman logo on it. It won't really show on camera, but yeah, it's matching Tiffany color. And then it just comes with your standard flat black laces, white midsole, black outsole. And then same thing goes for the right shoe. And then next to the where the laces go, it's matching Tiffany blue. Nothing crazy on these, but these would get decent amount of attention. I'm thinking I would really love if they had made this area right here Tiffany blue also. It would have really set the shoe off. You could probably do a custom, but I don't want to screw around with them and mess something up. Unfortunately, there's no secondary set of laces, but that was my video, guys. Thanks for watching. Much love. I'm in, I'm out. Y'all be easy. Enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section down below. You can still snag these. The Closet Ink still got them. That's where I got them from. But until later, guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love you. Peace. Bye. Keep supporting. You can find me on TikTok under the same name. Instagram. All the good stuff. Y'all be easy. Love you. Peace. Bye.